Three, two, one. Hello guys and welcome back to Touch Crypto for another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be jumping straight into Cro Coin. And guys, it looks like we could be set up for a humongous move to the upside. Firstly, I'd like to thank Jeffrey1676. He is one of the guys who made a comment to my Shiba Inu video and asked me about Cro, so I thought I'll do him and everyone else who's interested in Cro a video, and have to give him a heads up because he's showing me a fantastic chart over here which I'll have to give a nice perfect analysis for. So Jeffrey, nice one for that. This is a shout out for you. So yeah, let's dive into the show. So let's roll the intro. Hello guys and welcome back to Touch Crypto for another video. Firstly, as we can see from Cro, it looks like we could be set up for a massive move for the upside. In fact, if we stay where we're at and we do continue to move to the upside, we'll be looking at an easy, perhaps one of the easiest 209% move to the upside. So that's 2x your initial deposits, and guys, that would be a lovely move to the upside. I do believe Cronos can reach much higher. Firstly, everyone uses their cards, and secondly, they have been around for a little while and they have some huge sponsorships from UFC and I think also the Serie A Italian soccer league as well. So there's a lot of partnership happening with Cronos for many years now. However, its all-time highs were, in fact, I don't really count this long, crazy week there. I always look at the body first to see where were the last highs. It was approximately 68 cents, and we are currently on 14 cents and a half. Guys, I can see a lot more moves, well, potential from Cronos. So why don't we just do all of our lines so you can follow with me and see exactly what I see. And guys, this isn't a financial advice. This is something which I've been doing personally for myself. And if you all like to trade along with me and learn side by side with me, this could be a humongous opportunity for all of you. So there will be a Patreon soon as well, where you can also subscribe to. Jeffrey is the first person that I've given a shout out to. So if you all like a shout out, you will eventually be able to go into the Patreon, where I can give you even a super shout. So yeah guys, that'll be in the next video hopefully. But for now, let's look at their chart. This is the monthly chart, so like I said, we could be looking at for an easiest 209% move to the upside. So we're looking very bullish right now. We just need to make sure that we do clear this resistance line, so then we could be looking for a pullback. Or if you are a intraday or day traders and you prefer to do a breakout, I don't see why we shouldn't consider possibly doing a breakout trade, because if we look to this zone over here, it's literally just red. So that means we could literally just shoot up and we might not even see a pullback. So it might be worth potentially looking for a breakout trade. But let's dive into the weekly charts. All right. So on a weekly chart, it looks like that we are just on the cusp of breaking out from the horizontal line. And once we do break out from this area over here, I think I will go into this trade myself. Yeah, once again, hats out to Jeffrey. Well done, mate. I'm gonna give you another shout out. Cheers for that. So I will be looking for a trade right over here. In fact, let me just show you how our trade is. I would now go into the daily, and on a daily it looks like we are pulling back slightly. So as we are pulling back slightly on a day, well actually it looks like this could be a big pullback on the daily chart. Reason why we see this massive like J shape over here, and normally that's a very bullish sign, but we are seeing a couple of red candles. If this continues, then quite possibly we could see our way back down to at least into this support. That's a daily support actually, roughly around about here, because we broke up from these areas there. And if we bring out the Fibonacci retracement tool, only measuring from where we broke from the bottom here, because all we see is just a green candles there. So I'm looking for the golden Fibonacci retracement, which would be at, oh actually I'm doing this the wrong way around. Let me just get rid of that. I should be measuring from the bottom to the top instead, because as we've broken up from here, we went all the way up to there. So we're looking for retracement back. So the 0.5 and 0.6. 0.6 is in fact it's a golden fib retracement. So quite possibly we could be expecting at least a retracement back to in this zone over here. Let's get rid of the fib retracement. So if we do pull back into this zone over here, that could be a good entry point. And if we do pull back and we enter anywhere around this area, before you enter, like willy-nilly, don't. Just wait for confirmation. My confirmation will always be that if we do eventually pull back here, I want to see like a red candle like this. Wait a second, we can't even see that, can we? Oh, that's why. Let me just get rid of that. If we do something like this, I want to see a red candle here. Poor drawing, by the way. Let's change the color so we all can see my drawing, and then followed by a larger green candle like so. Oh, that is terrible drawing. Then I'll be looking to enter straight after this engulfing green candle, after this red candle, as a bullish continuation to the upside, or bullish confirmation that we are going to move at least to the upside. And once we do that, then I can see a massive move to the upside. In fact, if we do pull back into this zone right over here, then we could be looking at a lot more than 200% move to the upside. So let's pull out the measuring tool, measure from here, and then if we go up to the area that we were, oh, it'd be much higher actually. Yeah, it'd be over 238% move to the upside. Oh, actually, from here to there, yeah, that'd be around about 224% move to the upside. So that's exactly how I'll be looking to trade this. Oh my gosh, Jeffrey, you know what? I might need to be my second right-hand man to keep an eye on some of the charts, so I can actually bring to all of the viewers, so you can all follow along my trading strategy. This would be my intraday and day trading strategy. That I'll be waiting for a pullback, 50% of this move, or at least up to the golden Fibonacci retracements of 0.618, which would be roughly around about here. I'll be waiting for a red candle followed by an engulfing green candle for a move back to the upside. From here all the way to that 224% move to the upside. But let's say in a worst case scenario that we do continue to fall back even further, and if that was to happen, then guys, it's going to be one of those like brace for the impact from where we are now all the way back down to there, and that will give us a pretty big move to the downside of around about, Yep, 41% move to the downside. So it's not the end of the world. So if you're a hodler, I'll be looking to hodl and increase my bag for or with the Cro coin around about here. But if we do pull back only halfway and we do see a red candle followed by a larger green candle, like anywhere around over here, you should be looking to enter. That's exactly what I'll be doing when I see that move happen. Otherwise, I would just be patiently waiting for that move to happen. I think that is the best way to trade in general, because that way you get to increase your win rate and decrease, your losses, or minimize your losses in general. So guys, I'll leave it as that. So just remember guys, firstly, you always zoom out when in doubt. Secondly, if you do see something clearly obvious like this, for instance, where we see something like just red, small little liquidity area, and then if we've been going downwards and sideways for the longest, and we eventually break up and above this green candle there, that is a sign that we will be imminently heading back away to this area there at 209% move to the upside from where we are. But if we do pull back into this area like so, and then make a move back up into this area, let me just reconfirm how much percentage that is. Tell it I, that will be exactly 403% move to the upside. Please also guys, I've given Jeffrey a shout out, for spotting this chart. Leave that in the comments. Also say thanks to Jeffrey for that. Either way guys, I'll wish you all well. I hope you do find my channel useful and informative. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so right over here. And if you'd like to see my last video, click over here, and I'll see you all in the next one.